Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the preparations of different types of polymers. Clear? Yesterday we discussed about which topic here? We discussed different types of classification and also the preparations of polythene. Two types of polythene we discuss here. The first LDP, low density polythene, and second we take what here? High density polythene with its uses and properties. Today we discuss here the topic called as the preparations of Teflon, or it is also called as the polytetrafluoroethylene. Clear? Okay. So depend upon the reactant. If only one reactant or monomer take part in the reaction, these monomer are repeated to each other to form the straight chain and does not lose any small molecule like water or alcohol. So it is an example of addition polymer. And some polymer which is prepared by when two or more monomer are react and lose a small molecule like water molecule and alcohol. So it is an example of which polymer? Condensation polymer. So here we prepare first the two examples. First called as the preparations of Teflon and the preparation of what? Polyacrylonitrile, or it's also called as what here? Orlon acrylene. So this both two example is an the addition polymer, because why these Teflon and the polyacrylonitrile is example of addition polymer? It is reason that both polymer contain a single monomer which are repeated to each other to form the straight chain polymer. So it is an example of addition polymer. But third example, it is called as the preparation of polyamides polymer, or it's also contain two types of different polyamide polymer. One is called as first called as nylon 6,6 and second is called as the nylon 6. Clear? But here the nylon 6,6 is an example of condensation polymer. Why? Because in this polymer two different monomer are repeated to each other or react to each other and lost a small molecule like water. So it is an example of which polymer? Condensation polymer. That is called as the nylon 6,6. But in the B, it is called as the nylon 6. It is also the example which polymer? Which polymer? Addition polymer. Why? Because the nylon 6 contain only one monomer and does not lose any small molecule. Clear? So now we first discuss here the preparation of Teflon, or it's also called as the polytetrafluoroethylene. How to prepare? So when this Teflon, it means a polytetrafluoroethylene, it's called as the monomer are used called as what? Tetrafluoroethylene. So it is CF2 double bond CF2. It is called as the tetrafluoroethylene. These ethylene will be rearranged to each other in presence of peroxide. Peroxide are used as catalyst. Clear बेटा? इस reaction क्या होगा बेटा यहाँ पे reaction में? Only these bond will be rearranged. What we get? We get here CF2 single bond CF2 and we take here what? N. This indicates N monomer called as the what? Tetrafluoroethylene, and this indicate what? Polymer called as polytetrafluoroethylene, or second name called as Teflon. Clear? So when the tetrafluoroethylene are rearranged in presence of peroxide and the polymers take place to form the Teflon, it is called as Teflon, or second name called what here? Polytetrafluoroethylene. Clear? Simple. Now we take here the what? The properties of Teflon or polytetrafluoroethylene. So property means it's a physical property as well as chemical properties. Clear? So now then the Teflon is chemically inert. It means it does not take part in the reactions. Clear? Okay. Second property is resistivity to heat. It does not, or passes the heat. Clear? This is for resistance of heat. Then third, corrosive to reagent. It does not react to any reagents. And also this bond in between the CF2 double bond CF2 is very strong. That's why it does not break easily. So it does not react to any reagents. Clear? Now next, uses. What? Uses. So what is the uses of Teflon? So the Teflon are used in the preparation of non-stick cookerware. इस apparatus cooker के जो होते हैं. Then oil seeds, then gaskets, and also the different uses. Clear of our Teflon. Clear? Teflon also used in the pan, cooking pan जो होता है, cooking pan, ठीक है? Okay, it's also used in the what? Cooking pan. Clear? Now next is what here? Second number, preparations of polyacrylonitrile, or it's also called as the Orlon or acrylamide. Why is called as Orlon? Because these polymer are used in the preparation of Orlon or acrylamide. That's why it is called as Orlon or acrylamide. It is also used as substitute of wool. What? Substitute of what है? wool. जो उनके जो कपड़े होते हैं बेटा, उसमें उसका प्रिपरेशन मतलब उसकी वजह हम लोग ये पॉलीमर्स का यूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? ओके. नाउ बेटा प्रिपरेशन है. हाउ टू प्रिपेयर? So when the monomer of acrylonitrile, here what? This CH2 double bond CH single bond CN, it is a monomer. The name is called as what? Acrylonitrile is rearranged and polymerization take place in presence of same it is called as peroxide. Clear? So what we get? We get the what? Polyacrylonitrile. Only the which is what? Double bond change into single bond. It is same to the what first. So what we take here? So we take here CH2 single bond CH. Here what we take here what? CN. Then attached to what here? The N. This called as what? This CH2 single bond CH single bond CN. So it is called as what? Polyacrylonitrile. Clear? Okay. Now uses. So the polyacrylonitrile are used in the different types of what we take here? The blankets, preparation of blankets, then shirts, then sweat shirts, then different types of cloth. Clear? So it is an all example of what here the polyacrylonitrile or what? Orlon or acrylamide. Clear? Question आता है बेटा आपको. Write down the uses of Teflon. Write down the uses of what? Orlon, acrylamide और third name क्या है इसका? Polyacrylonitriles. या क्वेश्चन आएगा. Write a short note on the preparation of Teflon, Orlon, acrylamide or what? Polyacrylonitriles. Clear? So it is both example of which here addition polymer. How to prepare? We take the different types of reactant. Clear? Now we take the third, polyamides polymer. That we take here the polyamides polymer. Why is called as polyamides? Because this polymer contain a amide functional group. This called as what? C double bond O and H. C double bond O and H called as the amide group. That's why it is called as the polyamide polymer. Clear? So how to prepare the polyamide polymer? So we prepare the polyamide polymer with the help of different reactants. So those polymer which contain a amide linkage, so this polymer is called as the polyamide polymers. So which polymer contain a amide linkage? So two polymer which contain a amide linkage, one is called as what here? Nylon 6,6 and second is called as nylon 6. Clear? Now we take the first nylon 6,6. Clear? So it is an example of polyamide polymer. So how to prepare this polyamide polymer? We take the different process. Clear? So the polyamide polymer, it will first is called nylon 6,6. It is also called as the lactams. Why lactams? What is the lactams? Lactam is a one type of a compound which contain two different group. One is called as the diamine and second is called as the carboxylic acids. So it is called as the lactams. Clear? Okay. Lactam is what? Lactam is a compound which contains two functions. One is called as acid and second is called as diamine. So it is called as the lactams. Clear? Okay. How to prepare the knowledge? Question क्या था आपको? Write a short note on the preparation of nylon 66 or how to prepare the nylon 66. Clear? So this first of all nylon is called as the one type of what? Polyamide polymer. Nylon is the generical names. Clear? So nylon 66 is what? These two 6 indicate those are monomer which contain 12 carbon. So two monomer are we use. One is called as the adipic acid and second is called as what here? We take the second HMD called as the hexamethylene diamine. Okay. So adipic acid plus HMD मतलब what? Hexamethylene diamine means one monomer contains 6 carbon and second monomer contains 6 carbon. That's why it's called as 6,6. Now, which monomer are used to prepare nylon 6? So the one monomer is called as the adipic acid and second monomer is called as what here? HMD, hexamethylene diamine. Clear? So first of all, the structure of what? Adipic acid, COH, CH2/4, COH. So these monomer contain 4 carbon toward the CH2, remaining 2 terminates 1,1. So 1,1, this 4. How many? 6. So 6 carbon in the adipic acid. So when adipic acid is reacted with HMD, hexamethylene diamine, it contains also 6 carbon. So it is rearranged and polymerized to form the salt. What is salt? Salt is those compounds which contain what? Negative and positive charge or neutral in nature, called as salt. Or it is also called dipole ion, suitor ion, dipole ion, or what? Salt. Clear? Now how to prepare? So we take the simple reactions. Only this H hydrogen atom are attached toward the end. Clear? So remaining this H attached to this end. So what we get? We get say here this H attached to this end. H is 2H plus 1H. How many? 3H. Clear? Then second, same here. This 1H attached to this NH2. So how many NH3? Only we shifted the hydrogen toward the NH2. So NH2 plus 1H, what we get? NH3 here. Clear? So same reaction. This CO, this OCO as it is, this CH2/4 as it is, this CO group as it is. Only we change the H toward the NH2. So NH2 plus 1H, what we get? NH3. And the compound which contain NH toward the positive and O toward the negative charge, that's called what here? Nylon salt. Clear? Now this, what is salt? Salt is a neutral compound and is an unstable in nature. When we break down, we get a stable compound. Okay? Now, when these salt are heated in presence of 533 Kelvin temperature and a higher pressure and losses of small molecule like water. So what we get? We get a nylon 66. How this reaction happen? So simple reaction here, beta. What we take here? This NH3 contain 3 hydrogen. So two hydrogen are losses from the NH3, one molecule, and same here. This NH3 is 2 losses hydrogen. So 2 plus 2, how many? 4 hydrogen. Now remaining here 1 O from NH3 and 1 O from this left side. This 1 O and this 1 O. What we get here? O2. So loss of how many water molecule? Twice H2. The remaining part what? As it is. So what we take here? Remaining part. So we take here remaining part CO. Clear? Okay. The remaining part here what? We take the loss of this oxygen, so remaining part C double bond O as it is, CH2/4 as it is, this CO group also as it is, then this O loss. So what we take remaining this O plus H2. What we get? H2O. One molecule H2O and this 2H plus 1O. how many water molecules? 2 water molecules are lost. So the remaining part what is CONH CH2 by 6NH. So it is called as nylon 6. Why? Because this contains 6 carbon. This 6 carbon 6. How many? 6 plus 6. Okay. So it is called as the preparation of nylon 6. क्या करना बेटा रिएक्शन में आपको सिंपल पहले आपको जो रिएक्टेंट होती है उनकी फॉर्मूला याद रखना है और दोनों कंपाउंड को जो रिएजेंट है यानी दो हमने क्या यूज किया है एडिनिक एसिड और सेकंड HMD क्लियर। तो अब यहाँ पे क्या किया है सिर्फ H को शिफ्ट किया कहां पर NH2 के पास और बाद में सेकंड स्टेप में क्या किया जहां पर H था वहां की 2H और रिमेनिंग जो ऑक्सीजन उसको मतलब ऐसा ट्वाइस H2O लॉस कर दिया और बाकी जो भी था वो उसको एज इट इज लिखा है यहाँ पर ठीक है। तो इट इज कॉल्ड एज द प्रिपरेशन नैनो 6 ये क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है बेटा। क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आते हैं हाउ टू प्रिपेयर नैनो 6 और हाउ टू प्रिपेयर व्हाट टेफ्लॉन ऑरलॉन और जो भी एग्जाम क्वेश्चन आएगा क्लियर। ओके सो द नैनो 6 इज एग्जांपल ऑफ विच पॉलीमर्स कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमर और पॉलीएमाइड पॉलीमर्स क्लियर। इसके बाद क्वेश्चन आपको ये भी आएगा कि राइट डाउन द यूजेस ऑफ नायलॉन 6 राइट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ नायलॉन 6 क्लियर। हाउ टू प्रिपेयर द नायलॉन 6 पॉलीमर और सीधे क्वेश्चन आता है तो which monomer are used in the preparation of nylon 6 polymer? So one is called as adipic acid, second is called as hexanucleate diamide. Clear? Okay. So ये सिंपल आपको क्वेश्चन आएंगे, आपको इसे शॉर्ट नोट्स तैयार करना है, आपके पास बुक है बेटा, उसमें से आपको जो भी है कुछ प्रॉब्लम आते हैं पूछने हैं आपको और सिंपल टॉपिक है, सिर्फ आपको जो रिएक्टेंट मोनोमर है उनकी जो फॉर्मूला याद रखना है और उसको रीअरेंज करना है। क्लियर है? ओके कुछ पॉलीमर्स में जो रिएक्टेंट है वो चेंज हो गए और कुछ जो जैसे कि वैसे नहीं, जैसे कि एडिशन पॉलीमर रहा तो सिर्फ डबल बॉन्ड चेंज सिंगल में होता है और अगर कंडेंसेशन रहा तो यहाँ पर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल लॉस होता है, बाकी जो भी रिएक्टेंट के जो एटम हो तो जैसे कि वैसे रहते हैं। ठीक है ओके। सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट व्हाट प्रिपरेशन ऑफ टेफ्लॉन और पॉलीटेट्राफ्लोरोइथाइलीन, how to prepare it here, its properties, uses. Same here the preparation of polychlornitrile called what Orlon or acrylic, it's a preparation and uses. Same here the polyamide polymer preparations. First we take the what nylon 6 clear. How to prepare? We take two monomers clear. So prepared our nylon 6 polymers clear. तो अभी जितने भी टॉपिक हो गया बेटा हमारा वो पूरे टॉपिक को आपको नोट्स तैयार करनी है ठीक है, उसकी स्टडी करनी है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो पूछने का है ठीक है। ओके थैंक यू सो मच।